Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me very good, but I'm out here bird watching. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't been bird watching in so long, so I'm really excited. Alright, let's get on in. You can hear a lot of birds. Let's check in my radius. Alright. Alright, so far I found a vulture, but haven't found very much. It is right now like almost 5:30, 6 o'clock. So there aren't going to be very many birds out. Oh, there's one right there. I can't tell what it is from here, but it looks really pretty. Also, I don't want to scare them. Alright. Doesn't look like I'm going to find much. So, yeah. So, make sure to hit the thumbs up to follow me on my Instagram. It's Karina Garcia. Bye, guys. Peace out.